Today I'm making yellow cake cookies with caramel and pretzels. First I'm going to make the cake cookies, so I'm going to add 1 box of yellow cake mix into a bowl. Next I'm going to add 1 egg. Then I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of whipped cream cheese. Next add 1 stick of melted butter. Then mix this up until the cookie dough forms. Now I have a lined cookie sheet. I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop out the cookies, and then I'm going to bake this at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. While the cookies are baking, I'm going to make the frosting, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 1/2 cup of marshmallow fluff. Then add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Next mix that up until it's combined. Then add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and mix that up until it's smooth. Once the cookies are cooled, I'm going to frost each cookie. Next, I melted some caramel and some heavy cream, and I'm going to drizzle the caramel on top of the cookies. Then I took some pretzel sticks and broke them up into pieces. I'm going to add the pretzel sticks in the center. Lastly, I added the cookies onto a tray, and here's an up-close look.